What's up? SolarCruiserDude here, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at a boat beaching out of Ocean Beach, California.
Let's get a closer look, shall we? I hope I don't get too wet by doing this. Uh-oh. Ah! Yeah, I got wet. These waves are just crashing straight on the edge of the beach. Oh. Well, the water's actually really warm. And it looks like there's a tugboat out here. Looks like they're gonna help this wee boat off the beach. Look at all those batteries. They should have strapped those batteries down. Well, I'm gonna stay and watch the lifeguard come tow this guy out. This ought to be interesting. Kind of reminds me of Gilligan's Island. I got out of the bathroom and the first thing I see as I'm getting out of the bathroom is this boat on the shore. It's gonna be in the news for sure. That did it. That did it. Like, oh, that's too much for us.
Oh man, she's ready to go back out to sea.
Yeah. I sent that video to Scott.
Push that sucker and get it out there. Did you see that big ass? Oh, you see that big rudder under there? Yeah, that's the thing. So yeah, you tie down the boom and you let the sides float so that shit's not touching at all. And then
I see that.
Yeah,
That makes sense. I got you.
that's what I intended.
Yeah, you know, we should name the boat the USS Beach.
USS Beach. You have several strong men push that motherfucker out there. You get that bitch going, you take the tap wind, and you go over those waves, and hopefully you don't get flipped over.
Sounds like you got a plan here.
Well, they won't let me touch it.
Yeah.
I didn't even ask. It's not my boat.
No. I like it here.
Yeah.
It should be a permanent fixture for OB.
You know, a good,
Just anchor it down.
good installation.
Right.
Ooh, yeah, that's a decided even waterlogged, so like it.
Oh, you're right, actually.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Woo!
Like that. Take it right on out. Go, go, go.
There he goes.
Go.
We don't need no Coast Guard. We got Mother Nature.
That shore breaks gonna come right back. Oh.
Oh.
Come on, baby, go on out. Go back to where you belong.
He's got the hose ready. He doesn't know what to do with them.
Careful that boom, that boom. It's supposed to rip off. There's some shit missing on the boat.
Yeah.
Me too. Hey, there's no name on it. That means it's mine.
Yeah, right, yeah.
It's my boat now.
There's no name on that. Once again, thanks for coming back to my channel. Thanks for supporting my content. And if you haven't already, make sure to solar slap that like button, solar slap that subscribe button, and you have a fantastic day. Solar Cruiser out. You.